I think I will show you this one first. This is VNC. Hello everyone, my name is Leanne and welcome back to my channel. Now we have another box to open and I'm very excited. This was sent today. Not today, I just got this one today from the school, and now let's open it. I don't know what's inside of this because I just don't know. But for sure this is shoes. Okay, so let's open. At saka ano nga pala guys, I'm wearing turtleneck today because it's cold already here. Starting to have a chill weather and it's very cold, that's why I'm wearing long sleeve. Okay, so what's inside of this box? I hope that this one's good. Okay, oops, I made a mess. Okay, so here it is. It's ladies shoes, and we'll see which one should I show you first. Okay, so I think I will show you this one first. This is VNC. Yes, so the shoes over here, VNC. This one looks nice like that. This is size 5. Let me see, and then the details, guys. It's so nice, right? And it's so soft inside also. If you're gonna press that, the sole part is soft. It says VNC, and let's try it because this one is size. Oh, this one fits me, I guess. No, it's not. It's very broad. It's not. So here, this brown color, like that, and yeah. Oh, very nice. Okay, so let's take this one off. This is beige. Okay, so oh, they also have this one peels. I don't know what this one is. To keep maybe the moisture of the shoes. So we also have this one, silica here, and this one in the shoes. So, and we have another one. Oh, we have actually 4 shoes here. This one here, right? So let's open and see and check. Oh, this one's purple. Okay, this one is purple. Wait, okay, here it is, like that. There's the formal shoes. This is original price is 690 baht, like that. 690 baht, and it is size 5 as well. Size 5, and this one won't fit me, but I think this one looks so nice. Okay, so that's the detail. We have that, like that, and here. Okay, so very nice. So let's put this one back. We have done that one already, and we are gonna go to the next shoes. These shoes, there's no silica here. This is a brand VNC, guys. VNC. I saw this one on the malls. And here's another one. Okay. So let's take this. Ta-da! I think VNC is VINCCI accessories. VINCCI accessories. These are shoes from Vietnam. I'm not sure if these are Vietnam shoes, because it says the brand is VNC, and this is my first time seeing this kind of brand. But these are original, guys. This one's originally $18 US and Myanmar. Oh, maybe this one are from Myanmar, because it has a Myanmar price. So this one's yellow, golden yellow. I think this is a nice color, no? Golden yellow. And yeah, it says here also VNC. Actually it's VINCCI. It's VINCCI accessories, and it is size 5. This one looks so nice, VINCCI. But I will try this because I haven't tried the other one. Oh, I think this one fit me well. So now let's move on, and let's go put it back again. And let's open the last one. The last one is this inside. It is in the box. It says VNC. When they call it, they rate it as VNC. The same. It's the same. It's the same design as this one, but this one has no box. This one only has plastic inside the plastic, but it says also this one's let me see. Let me just see that. This one's for something right here. Yeah, I really love that platform over here because it has extra foam. It's foamy, so it's not so this is the cotton over there. So yeah, these are VNC comfort shoes, guys, and this is my first time in this one. So this one's navy color. Yeah, so I'm sorry if this one's so boring. But yeah, that's all for our unboxing today. Thank you so much. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and comment down below